So check it out. Here's my latest project. I found these on eBay for $30. I was actually looking for a dummy unit for my 210 that I featured earlier, the Texas Special. But I got these, and then the seller also offered me another Texas Special with a one-way motor. It's the all-red version for $20. So the frames were in really bad shape. I cleaned them, took them all apart, cleaned them up, and repainted them. And the finish on these were interesting because it had all these marks on it. It almost looked like an octopus had latched onto it. And I believe it's from being wrapped in bubble wrap. And the sun had faded it really badly. So I went to Lowe's and I found some krylon matte red pepper. And it's almost a spot-on match to the Lionel original. I have another, the 210 that I'm going to run with these. The one that I featured earlier. So I taped off the white. And then I just sprayed the red, and then for the front to replace the star, I had some military stars, and so they fit right in there. It was heat stamped, and so it's imprinted, and so I was able to find the star fits right in there nicely. Cover sprayed them, and I got them running really good. I put repro horns on them to replace the broken ones, and I put lenses in them that I found online too. And I ordered some windshields, so they'll be coming along too. So we're gonna run these two, and then we'll run the 210 that I got earlier from my cousin. So here we go. You can check them out. The powered unit on this one has traction tires. My other one has magnet traction. It runs pretty good. I also made some decals because on the Texas Special it was a joint venture between Frisco and the Katy. So I'll show you those too. So I made the Katy and Frisco coonskin there, and from what I understand, whatever decal was first is who owned what what railroad actually owned the locomotive. So this one I put Katy first. I figured as long as I was doing them, I'd make some decals and make them look a little more realistic. I don't know if the Texas Special ever was painted on an Alco. I thought it was on an E7, but... And here's the Lionel original you can compare. I'll bring these up and stop them. And you can compare, the paint is almost a spot-on match. All right. Okay, I got them all running great with the powered unit that I just did. I also had to repair the pilot here was broken, so I used some plastic weld to get that back together. And I also touched up some of the white on that one because the rust had kind of bleeded on it. So it looks really nice. I'm really happy with them. As you can see, they're almost a spot-on match to Lionel's color. So it's Krylon Matte Red Pepper. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.